Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to create a Google Ads account without having to go over many steps to create it. So the first thing that we do is we go to googleads.google.com. After we do that, if you do not have a Google Ads account before, you're gonna be redirected to a page that looks like this. Now, if you do have a Google Ads account set up before or some Google Ads set up before, you're gonna have a page that looks like this. Now, either case, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to a new Google Ads account. Of course, this happens after you sign in to your Gmail. After we do that, we're gonna be redirected to a page with some steps. We're gonna disregard these steps and switch to explore expert mode. Now, as you can see, there's something written underneath. Are you a professional marketer? Switch to expert mode. You guys should click on that to avoid a lot of steps. After we click on this, we're gonna see a list that has many steps also, and we're gonna click a button underneath that is called create an account without a campaign. As you can see, the link is down below the steps. We click on that, and now we're gonna have a place where we confirm the billing country, the time zone, and the currency that we're gonna use for the Google Ads account. We click on submit. Afterward, we're set. We have a Google Ads account set up. We click on explore your account. And one of the most important things we have to do before start to set up any campaigns, we have to put in our billing information. I will just show you where to find this. You click on tools and settings, billing, and billing settings. Afterward, it's easy, you just put in your credit card details. Thank you, that's it for today. If you have any question, feel free to ask.